Hello, Eric. Hello, Ryan.
And today I'm cleaning.
Okay, wait. I probably need to
Oh, I forgot my chair.
get a chair, please.
Bye bye, folks.
Oh yeah, I wait. Okay, so today, keep quiet. So remember, what is the palindrome?
Palindrome. But when it's spelled backwards, it's the same as the right way. I think.
Yes,
I think.
yes,
I
like
don't know
a
how
race
to
car.
Race car. Race
Like
car.
race car, yeah?
car.
Race car, okay?
E-S and T.
Okay, like a race car. So today we talk about interesting problem, which is palindrome permutation.
What's permutation?
Permutation is
What
like
is
permutation is likely different ways of the to organize the, for example, like 1, 2, 3. Different. The permutation will be 1, 3, 2, right? And 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So basically, different possible sequence of using these three. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's 6, right? Remember how many permutation? If there are three characters, there will be 3 factorial. Because the first place you can place 3 times, 3 possible, yeah. And the second you can have 2 choice, and the third you have 1 choice. 3 times 2 times 1. Got it? Permutation, yeah. So given a string like I'm giving a string like A, C, C, E, R. Okay, this one. Can you tell me if you can make a palindrome using these characters?
Race car.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you know it's possible?
Because.
Because what? Because what? So how can we know that if given a list of the a string using the characters, only the characters in the string, how can we know we can make a palindrome by any sequence and permutation of these?
Because there's 2, so you can do one at the beginning and one at the end, but there's an odd number, so this one needs to go in the middle.
A palindrome, yeah, very close. Yet a palindrome can have only 1 odd number of the characters.
Yeah.
You cannot have 2, right? But you can have any number of the even numbers, even number of characters. Like look, this one, Ray, car. You have only one character which is in the middle, right? Yeah. Or you can have something like A, B, B, A, right? There are 2 types of palindrome. One is this. You have an odd number, odd number of characters, which
like
means the middle one is only the one which is unique, right? Not the unique. I mean.
Like noon.
Yeah, noon. You have even numbers, but there's no middle numbers. Yeah. This is two possibilities. So in both cases, every characters needs to appear of even number of times, except you can have only one. Yeah, only one which is odd number, right? If I do this, if another one, okay, like
Palindrome.
NONOBA. Can you make a palindrome using these characters?
No.
Why? Why is that?
Because there's 2
Odd numbers.
Yeah.
Odd numbers. So how about I will remove 1? Can you make it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can do this
It's no ball.
N. You can put this
No ball.
in the middle, right?
No ball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
No ball.
okay. So that's good. You get it. Okay. So what's the
A.
let me just write this program. Okay.
Fine,
Look. Define.
A. Super strong.
Check. Yeah. We do you check S. What's missing?
Column.
Okay. So now how about we want to remember we use the counter, right? Dictionary equals counter, and then we turn this S into a list string S, right? Now
Y.
after this we have the dictionary which we have different numbers, different count, right? Like that, yeah. Different count.
different account.
Okay, then I just need to do this for. I need another number. Odd count, okay? Odd count equals 0. Right? What we are interested in is in the odd count. If it's more than 1, it's definitely not possible. So look for I in D dot keys. Remember, D dot keys is these, the characters, yeah? Characters in a string column. If DI is this the number appear number of times, yes?
Yeah.
If it's odd, we can do this modulus 2, right?
Yes.
Or modulus 2 equals 1, right? We can do this? Yes? Remember an integer, or remember the binary, yeah? Binary, right? 3, the binary is what? 0, 1, 1, right? This is 3 in binary, right? Remember? 2 in binary is 1, 0, yeah? 4 in binary is 1, 0, 0, right? 1 in binary is 0, 1, yeah? So in binary, if the last digit is 1, then it's odd number, right?
Yeah.
If it's 0, it's even number, right?
Yeah.
So we can use this binary end, the same as this. So if DI modulo 2 equals 1, it's the same as if DI and 1, and 1 means that I do the end on the last bit. If it's 1, then it's the odd number. Then I will do this. Odd count plus equals 1, right? Yes? If odd count bigger than 1, what should we do here? Return true or false? If there's more than one odd number, false. Yes.
The next one must be true. Yeah.
And then what should I put here? After this,
True.
Return
Return.
true, right? Yeah?
True.
What's the term complexity?
O-N.
Oh, what's the space complexity?
O-N.
Yes, because we're using this counter. Yeah, this is basically a
Yes.
hash table. If we are not using this counter object, how can we do this? We can use what? If we're not using this counter, we can do this. We can do this. D equals this is dictionary.
Chair.
Yeah, or default dictionary, yeah, which is called and the type is integer. Then we can do this for I in S, right?
I in
X. Now I can do
What's
this D
String.
string DI plus equals 1, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then after this, do this counting, and then we do this the same. Okay. Okay. So do coding time. Turn it off.
No.
When you shake this entire string will shake, okay, and then people will not see it. Do you get it?
Whoa. Yes. Bop, bop.
I was just telling you. Come on, sit down, please.
It's a bit tilted.
That's okay, but you still can see it, yeah. Is it clear?
It's a little bit.
Is it clear? It's very clear, yeah.
Let me see.
Is it clear? I think it's clear.
Not really.
Yeah, it's clear, yeah.
I guess so. Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah, it's clear.
Let me see.
Okay, let's it.
Blurry.
Blurry, okay. Let me just do this bit a little bit. Okay. Tilted, it's a bit tilted. Let's do. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Is that better? Yeah, it's better. Okay. So now let's do this. Called palindrome. Yeah, palindromes. Now we have a defined check function. What? Import.
I'm about to sneeze.
From collections, we import counter. We need a counter object. D equals counter object S list S. It's too close, people will not see it. For odd count equals 0. For what? I in D dot keys.
D dot key.
And We have a case if D
I
I N1 equals 1, right? I
and
think
1 equals
you
equals
put the bracket here, maybe.
equals 1.
And odd count plus equals 1. And if odd count is, if we found any time, if we found any odd number of the character more than 1 time, then it must not be possible to construct a palindrome from this. Okay, otherwise return true. Let's check this. Print check like what's this? SCC.
ERR.
Can you make a RACECAR? Yeah?
Yeah.
And then put NOOB. NOOB. And then what else? BBAA. BAOONN. Okay? Yeah, so if it goes well, what should be your result?
True, false.
True, false? Yes, well done. Wow, exactly. Yes. Want to see you
I
again?
knew that.
Yeah. So
I knew that.
okay, so this complexity, time complexity,
Oh,
time. And by the way, this hash is the comment. Yeah. Yeah. This
Hashtag.
When you start with a hashtag, it's a comment. It means that it's only for human. Yeah, you can put anything in the after the hash line. Okay, it's only for human. Yeah. So, yeah, this is it. Any questions?
No.
And if you actually we can I was talking about let's do it without a counter object. Check 2, okay? Let's do this check 2 thing. Check 2 thing. And then we have a dictionary, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a dictionary. This is to a dictionary, but we have to in S, right? And every time if I in D, then we do this S DI plus equals 1. Else if it's not in, then we set it to 1, right? And then after this, you can copy from the from I in D. This is D dot keys. This is the same. Right? If Di and 1, you can also do this modular 2 equals 1. It means that it's even number, odd number and odd
That
count.
modulus looks a bit weird.
Which one looks a bit weird?
Modulus. The modulus one looks a bit weird. It's a bit blurry.
Oh, you mean a bit blurry, yeah? Wait, let me try. Let me check this if it's alright. Odd count. Yeah? Let's try if it's alright. Yeah, it's the same. Look, it's the same, yeah? It's the same. So both are fine. If you're using the dictionary, you can do this in the beginning. But in the line 6, it's basically the same as from line 16 to 21. Got it? Line 6, this line is basically the same as from line 16 to 21. Which is you see numbers, so this version is much simpler, much easier to use. We are just importing this counter object from the collection package, right? Okay? Any questions?
No.
Okay, good job today. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay, let's
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.